Hello everyone and welcome back. We're finally getting those late spring warm days, and so I decided to do a fun flow to give you a little boost of energy. So we're going to get right into the movement today, but first start and take one deep breath in your child's pose. Hips towards the heels, weight on top of the shins. Good, walk those hands back toward the knees. Inhale, reach the arms up, place them onto your shoulders, and add a few little shoulder circles. Change the direction. And bring it back to neutral. Add one or two little side movements with the head. Then one or two little circles with the wrists, and place the top of the hands onto the mat. Sink those hips back a little bit here. Find that stretch in the wrists. Good, flipping the palms. The palms are facing down, but the wrists are pointing towards the top of the mat. Good, then walk those hands out, come into your tabletop position. Take a deep breath. Tuck the left toes under, lift the right leg up, keep the knees lined up, then raise that right leg into like a little mini three-legged dog, and then step it between the hands. Lower the left knee to the mat. Inhale, lift the arms up. Deep breath. On the exhale, hook the left elbow on the outside of the right knee. Press the palms together. Inhale to lift the chest. Deepen into the twist. Then from here, bring that left hand down, right hand comes to follow, and lift the right foot off the mat. Bring it all the way up and back for that mini three-legged dog. Then exhale, bring both knees back to the mat, shins in contact with the mat as well. Tabletop position. This time, tuck the right toes under. Inhale, lift the left leg up to that mini three-legged dog. Then exhale, round it through, step it between the hands. Lower the right knee to the mat. Inhale, lift up, connect the palms. Exhale, hook that right elbow on the outside of the left thigh. And inhale to lift the chest, deepen into the twist. One more breath. And then right hand comes down to the mat. Inhale, reach the left arm up briefly, and then bring it back down on the outside of the left foot. From here, lift that left leg up, send it up and back for three-legged dog, and then lower both knees back to the mat. Return to your tabletop. Deep breath here. Exhale, tuck the toes under, lift up and back to your downward dog. Welcome your first downward dog of the day. Sink those heels down. Find that alignment, gentle engagement of the core. Then once you've found that, bring those forearms down to the mat for a dolphin pose. You may need to bend the knees or walk the legs back a little bit, but try and keep nice and strong in that upper body. Good, lower those knees to the mat. Walk the hands slightly forward and come down into a puppy pose. Find that length in the back, try and bring that chest forward. Gently opening the shoulders. See if you can find a deepening into the pose, shifting the chest slightly more for the mat as you hold. Good, lift those hips back up, return to your dolphin pose. One more breath. Then from here, press back up onto the hands and walk to the top of your mat. Find that length in the back, enter that halfway lift. Inhale, then exhale, fold. Take a deep breath here. Press into the feet with an inhale, reach all the way up, connect the palms. Exhale, bring the hands down through the middle, mountain pose. Find that alignment, find your posture, deep breath. Then inhale, reach the arms up, exhale, fold it down. Inhale halfway, and exhale, step it back to your plank, deep breath. Hold for one more breath here. Then shift your weight onto your left hand. Enter that side plank, bringing the feet to stack or one in front of the other. Then raise that right leg up only if you feel steady here. And pivot back to your normal plank. Other side now, weight on that right hand. Inhale, lift the left arm up. Bring that left leg up only if you feel comfortable. Good, lower back to that normal plank, step it back, and take your flow, lowering yourself all the way down to the mat. When you're there, inhale for a cobra. Roll those shoulders down and away from the ears, press the chest forward, and exhale, downward dog. Good, 2 more deep breaths here. Find that alignment. Hold yourself steady. Inhale, raise that right leg up, and exhale, bring the knee toward the nose, step it between the hands. From here, press into the feet, lift up, connect those palms, entering high lunge, and exhale, open the arms into cactus. Inhale, close the palms, press the forearms together and the elbows. Find that energy between the arms. Inhale, open again, and exhale, right arm underneath the left, find your eagle arms. If the eagle arms is difficult for you, just grab onto either shoulder. Inhale again, open those arms, and exhale, tilt forwards, bring those hands behind you, extend the right knee, connect the palms, bow down towards that right leg for your pyramid pose. Gently stretching those shoulders with the palms behind the back. Good, bend the knee again, sink it deep, inhale, arms up, and exhale, take that twist, but this time with the left knee keeping off of the mat. So left elbow comes on the outside of the right thigh. Good, hands back down, step it back to your plank. And again, add 2 more little side planks with or without raising that top knee. Good job, bring it back to the middle. Deep breath and take your flow, lowering all the way down for cobra or staying hovered and then entering your upward facing dog. Exhale, downward dog. Good, get that alignment, find that strong position. Then base on that right foot. This time we're going to inhale and lift the left leg up. 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring that knee in towards the nose, step it between the hands, deep breath. Once you have your base, inhale to lift, connect those palms, and exhale, open into your cactus. Then press those hands and those forearms together, meet the elbows, find that energy, and inhale to open. Exhale, this time the left arm comes underneath the right, find those eagle arms, gentle stretch in the shoulders. And again, inhale, open. Exhale, hands come behind you, connect the palms, bring them onto your back, extend that left leg, and bow down towards it for your pyramid pose. Deep breaths. Good, bend that left leg again. Return to that lunge position, reach the arms up, and exhale, hook that right elbow on the outside of the left thigh. Inhale to lift the chest further, press into the palms, deepen into the twist. Good. Place those hands back onto the mat, step it to your plank, and add 2 more side planks here. So choose whichever side you'd like to go for first. Reach the arm up and maybe lift the top leg. Bring it back to the middle, take it to the other side. Good. Back to the middle, deep breath, and take your flow. Meet in downward facing dog. Find your alignment here. Lengthen through the spine. Press the hips up. And then on the next exhale, bring those knees to the mat. Shift the hips backwards. And rest your head towards the mat for child's pose. Inhale, bring those arms behind you. Interlace the fingers and try and pull them up towards the top of your mat. Coming into a variation of the hare pose here. Good, release the hands. Inhale, lift back up to seated. Bring those arms in front of you. Press into the forearms, press the elbows together. And then find eagle arms, right arm under the left. Press the forearms together again. And find it on the other side. Good. Interlace those fingers again behind your back. Inhale, lift the chest for one final little shoulder stretch here. And exhale to release. So we'll finish off our fun flow here. This is just a quick little sequence and it is completely repeatable. It was a little bit fast, so if you would like to get it down, then feel free to practice it as many times as you need and get that amazing Vinyasa flow feeling. So thank you so much for joining me. I will hope to see you next time, and leave a like or a subscribe if you like the content. See you soon.